Disassemble the motor housing. The X-axis motor controls the laser to adjust left and right. The Y-axis motor to adjust up and down. Loosen the screws that fix the motor. Turn the motor to make the light appear. Adjust the laser to the center of the nozzle. Tighten the screws that fix the motor. Replace with a more accurate, cutting wire nozzle. Observe whether the laser is in the center. The laser center is upward. Turn the Y-axis motor up and down to adjust, and observe whether the laser is in the center. It is in the center. The dimming is completed. Install the motor cover and the adjustment is completed.